Hey, welcome back. If you're tired of seeing get-rich-quick schemes and just want real, zero-cost side hustles, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 5 ways to earn money online. No fees, no fluff, just hustle. Let's jump in. Number 1. Freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. There's a huge demand for services like writing, graphic design, voiceovers, and video editing. You don't need to be a pro to start. Try simple gigs like background removal or translating text. Pro tip: use ChatGPT to help craft killer gig descriptions that grab attention. All you need is your laptop and a bit of creativity. Number 2. Selling digital products on Gumroad or Etsy. Think ebooks, printable planners, Notion templates, stuff people love but don't want to make themselves. Tools like Canva and Google Docs are totally free for creating these. The best part? You make it once and it can sell again and again. No shipping, no inventory, just pure digital income. Number 3. Print on demand with Printful or Redbubble. Ever wanted to see your art on t-shirts, mugs, or stickers? Upload your designs, and these platforms handle printing, shipping, and customer service. You just sit back and collect commissions. Free mock-ups, no upfront costs, and you don't even need to touch a box. Passive income, anyone? Number 4. Content creation with faceless videos. Not everyone wants to be on camera, and that's totally fine. Use tools like InVideo AI, Pictory, or CapCut to make viral shorts or YouTube videos, all without showing your face. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, or brand deals. Try topics like AI tech, travel hacks, or daily motivation. The possibilities are endless. Number 5. Affiliate marketing on social media or your blog. Share your favorite products on TikTok, Instagram, or a simple blog. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No product, no problem. Sign up for Amazon Associates or Digistore24 and start sharing. Bonus tip: start small, stay consistent. Most people quit too soon, but the winners, they show up every single day. So which of these $0 side hustles are you going to try first? Comment below. I'd love to hear your plans. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more smart ideas every week. See you in the next one.